Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to evaluate the eigenvalues and eigenvectors in MATLAB. The condition is capital A into capital X is equal to small n into capital X. Here capital A matrix is n by n matrix, capital X is eigenvector, small n is eigenvalue, it is also called a scalar. We can comment it. So by commenting this equation, then it means it will not run. Or we can write here capital A capital X is equal to small n capital I into capital X. So final equation becomes A minus Ni into X is equal to 0. Here X is a non-zero vector and I is the identity matrix. Now suppose I have a matrix capital A is equal to bracket started 1 2 3 semicolon 7 8 9 semicolon 4 5 6 bracket closed. Now first we will save this script. Eigenvalue so now we will run it, add to the path. So we can see here our matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix, that means 3 rows and 3 columns. So we can use the command EIG for finding the eigenvalues of matrix A. EIG of matrix A. If we run it, so from here we can see the eigenvalues of the matrix A are 15.5777 minus 0.5 0.0. So these are three eigenvalues of the matrix capital A. Now if we want to find the eigenvectors, then we can write here capital X capital D bracket closed is equal to EIG of capital A. So capital X is our vector, eigenvector, and capital D is a diagonal matrix, and EIG of A, these are eigenvalues. If we run it, then we can see here we evaluated all the vectors, that is eigenvectors, and we can again see the diagonal elements are our eigenvalues.